workshop is on block printing for picture books. So we're going to be doing two things. One is working with one very specific technique of image making, which is block printing. And I love this technique because it's very hands-on first, and then second, it creates beautiful limitations. So people are really just limited to what they can do, which I find very liberating to have fewer options. So on one hand, we're going to be, learning about this technique, but on the other hand, we're also going to be creating an illustration that could be used in picture books. So I'm going to be giving students prompts. So for example, I could give them an animal, an occupation, and a place, or maybe a feeling, and they will have to come up with a character doing something in a place. And then the other thing is that while we're creating the image and working and carving, you don't know what you're gonna get in the end. So it's always like you have to let go control, and then you have to embrace the results, which always come with surprises, sometimes very pleasant surprises, sometimes not so pleasant. But then students will learn to embrace those things that come with the technique, with the medium itself.